Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to jump right into something you absolutely need to know if you're heading to Germany, maybe even before you order your first pretzel in Berlin, and that's the basic greetings. So, let's get right to it. Because that's really the goal here, isn't it? I mean, what's the point of just learning words if you can't actually use them? By the end of this quick explainer, you're going to have all the tools you need to kick off that first simple conversation with total confidence. Okay, first things first, the most important word of them all, hello. Think of this as your Swiss Army knife of greetings. It's friendly, it works for everything, and you literally can't get it wrong. Whether you're meeting a new friend or just saying hi to a shopkeeper, hello is your absolute go-to. It's the perfect place to start. Now here's where things get kinda cool. In German, your greetings often change depending on the time of day. It's like your words are literally following the sun across the sky. If you want to sound a bit more like a local, you'll want to switch things up. Let's take a look at how that works. Just think of it as a little journey through your day. So you're grabbing your morning coffee, you'll say Guten Morgen. Let's try it. Guten Morgen. Then later on, when you're out and about in the afternoon, the standard greeting is Guten Tag. Say it with me. Guten Tag. As the evening rolls in, maybe you're heading to dinner, you'll switch to Guten Abend. One more time, Guten Abend. And then finally, when it's time to say goodnight, there's Gute Nacht. Okay, and this is a really important one, so listen up. Gute Nacht is different from the others. It's not a greeting. You wouldn't walk into a party at 10 p.m. and say, Gute Nacht. You only say it when you're leaving for the night or, literally going to bed. It's a farewell. It's a tiny detail, but trust me, it makes a huge difference. All right, so you've said hello, you've nailed the time of day. What's next? Well, let's talk about the phrases you'll use when you're actually introduced to someone new and you want to, make a real connection. And this brings us to a really, really key part of German culture. The language has this clear line between formal and informal situations. Getting it right is a huge sign of respect. So, how do you know which one to pick? So this lays it out perfectly. On the one hand, you have Grüß dich. This is your casual, informal hello. It's perfect for friends, family, people you know well. But then, on the other hand, we have Grüß Sie. You'll want to use this in a business setting, with strangers, or especially when talking to someone older. It's all about showing politeness and respect. Here's a pro tip. When in doubt, always start with the formal Sie. It's a big deal in the culture when someone invites you to switch to the informal Du. It's a real sign that you're becoming closer. So, right after you've been introduced, you'll want to say that it was nice to meet them. And you've got two fantastic, easy options here. You can say Freut mich, which basically means glad to meet you. Or you could go with angenehm, which is a little more like pleased to meet you. Honestly, both are super polite, totally common, and just perfect for that moment. As we wrap this up, this quote really hits on why we even bother learning these little phrases. It's not really just about talking, is it? It's about opening a door, it's about connection. And a simple greeting is your way of saying, hey, I'm here and I'm ready to listen. So what's the big takeaway here? It's simple. Don't ever underestimate the power of a simple hello or Guten Tag. Every single conversation, every new friendship, every adventure you have, it all has to start somewhere. And so often, that beginning is just one little word. So the only question left is, what story are you going to start?